Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me, they sent me these two files. I had to go out to the internet to DA fonts and get the font, which is whatever in Hayden, because he's engraving some cups and two things with the circle. And he brought them up, and I agree that when you engrave them on a cylindrical cup, they're going to make them a little bit skewed, make it like an egg. Now, there's a mathematical way you can fix that, but it doesn't look very feminine and for a woman or a lady or a girl. And he's wanting to know how he could take, I already did it for him, and he agreed he liked it. So this is the E is their last name, evidently. And he wanted to know how to make the E bigger. So I'm going to just kind of show it. With the shape tool, that font is 611 points. Let's make it 800 points. See, it made it bigger. Now, it did move the L over a little bit, but what you have to do now is go up to Object and break it apart. And then what I would do is hit the letter E on your keyboard, and it's going to put them in line. Now, I kind of manipulated the font, setting my nudge factor on like 0.1, and I took the M and I moved it over, kind of make it look like that. I think that maybe the E could even be a little bit bigger. So go back to the shape tool, click on that little node right there and make it 900 point. Now, once again, you've moved it over, but before I would do anything, I would hit E, which stands for even, and get it down, and then we're going to have to take the L and move the L over about the same distance. I think that is a beautiful monogram type font. Now, just remember, like I always have to do, if I don't have this font on my computer that I work, that runs by laser. So instead of moving that font, I'm going to go up to Object and convert that to a curve. And now when I save that and take it out to the shop and laser that, it will recognize it as a curve, because if you look now, it is a group of 3 objects. Anyway, I hope that's helped somebody in the future. Thank you for watching.